We are here at the Holiday Inspection Suites here at Kodak, Tennessee, right near Bass Pro Shop. We got ThyssenKrupp here today. There's one elevator for 4 floors. And here it is. Ah, yes, we're going up. It's funny. It's a pretty nice elevator. ThyssenKrupp. Speed 125 feet per minute. ThyssenKrupp elevator. Single 4. Warning, warning. Rear door is gonna open. Laundry. And as you can see over there, they're doing some minor work. Meaning they're doing some major renovations. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.